Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Stefan. We're lucky today. We just received this latest coming out from the oven, this microphone, and the model is going to be pm471s for Siri. Okay, we can look at the box like always. Yeah, orange for Maono and black. Let's look on the front. You can see the picture on the side, some future in the back too, and on the other side. I put it here. And now let's do the unbox. We're going to look inside to see what exactly we have. Let's open it and look. Okay, so like usual, user manual, multi-language. In the back you have the email if you need to reach them. That's going to be easy. After that you have the cord, the power cord. This guy, the length is 6 feet long, so I think you're going to have enough. And like they said in French, la pièce de résistance. And voila, the microphone. Oh yeah, I need to mention the microphone. This is metal. The pop filter is metal. The feet of the stand is metal, and everything the rest is plastic. So we can look at it. This guy is adjustable. You can put it down, you can put it up, you can just a little bit more like that. Not bad. In front you can see the M for Maono on the side too. I'll put it back. Let me show you something. If you need it, you can unscrew the feet, and voila. So like that, you can install on the flexi arm, you know, those boom arm. That's going to fit here. So that's going to be perfect if you need it. We're going to put it back the right way. And voila. Oh yeah, I need to tell you that I need to mention at the same time, this microphone is good for Apple and Microsoft. And if you need to install it, just look inside the user manual. They're going to tell you everything you need to know for Apple and Microsoft. If you need some help, just look in the back of the user manual. You can reach them. You have the website plus the support to reach them. So that's going to be easy. Don't worry for that. They're very friendly. Okay, let's look at the spec. This microphone, you can, first thing, this microphone is condenser cardioid. Okay, for the frequency it's good to 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, and for the SPL, the sound pressure level, this guy is good for 120. Let me show you something in the back. This is really fun. Look at that. On this side here, you have a place you can install a headphone. So when you speak, you can listen at the same time. You don't need to do anything on your computer. Just plug it in your headphone, and voila, le tour est joué. Okay, so now let's do the sound test. Microphone is roughly around 8" to 10" in front of me, and the software I'm using is Audacity. So let's do the sound test. 1 2 1 2 pa, 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 pa. Not bad. The microphone, I forgot to mention, is on half now. I'm going to put it all the way up and still keeping my voice in the same thing. I'm going to bring him back at half, and I hope the sound is really good, because when I try it, for me, I love it. Okay, let's go back. So that's going to be my own opinion. This is me, what I'm going to tell. I love it. When it's time to do podcasts, it's already everything is included. The pop filter, the tripod, the USB. The only thing you need to plug is a headphone. But to do podcasts and a gamer, that's going to be the perfect microphone for you guys. This is for sure. And probably for me too. I hope you like this video about this microphone here. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friend or your family. And like usual, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.